Hey guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a good day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you see someone's Instagram profile picture. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see in the bottom second left search icon. Click on the search icon. After clicking on the search icon, you can see in the top search bar. Click on the search bar. After clicking on the search bar, you can see a search bar where you can search for anyone's Instagram account who have an Instagram account. Search Instagram account just like I'm searching for one. After searching for the Instagram account, it will show your Instagram account. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see an Instagram account. In the top left, you can see a profile picture. It won't show you much, but you need to click it to zoom it out. After clicking it, you can see it will zoom you out the profile picture. This is how can you see someone's profile picture in Instagram account. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.